Metabo one. Problem is the lock. Now, this is your main problem. Part's broken off. Get yourself a repair kit. All these little bits and pieces. Everything you need. This is the main piece. Get rid of them. Stick on your new pieces. One. The second one as well. That one goes on here. This one here, we're going to clip on there. Spring is on here. Notch goes onto this channel. Your old threaded handle, that goes inside, that threads into this piece. As you thread this down, pushes against this wheel lever to lock your pivot. This wee red boy, when you push that one down, when you push this, pushes this wee cam, pushes this steel plate up and down, pushes it away to clear the notches in your table. That's all there is to it. Quite an easy wee job. It makes a massive difference to the saw if you need it. And the tighter you make this nut, tighter your turntable is going to be, harder it is to rotate. Just have it tight so the table's snug, and that's about it. That's all you need. Just snug, don't over tighten it. Reattach your guard and get your saw squared again. Now, to square it up again, leave your fence slack. See the amount of play that's on it? Pull it forward. Get an engineer square. Square one side at a time. Square this side first to your blade, tighten them down, and come over and square this side, because you'll still get a wee bit of play on the other side. Once that's squared, tighten this side down. That's it squared. Tighten everything down. Just be sure nothing's shifted as you're tightening it. Spot on. One KGS 18 LTX Metabo miter saw with a new detent lock kit. So it's just locking onto the miter angles now, no problem. Yes, sir. And lastly, a new dust bag. That's her.